Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of TypeScript conditional types and how they can revolutionize dynamic form handling in your applications. Imagine having forms that seamlessly adapt to different user roles or data inputs without breaking a sweat. That's the power of TypeScript's conditional types. In this video, you'll learn to harness this feature to build dynamic, type-safe forms, enhancing your app's flexibility and reliability. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with TypeScript, understanding conditional types will be a game changer in how you handle forms. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to implement these concepts in your projects. And remember, subscribing to our channel keeps you updated with cutting-edge tutorials and boosts your coding skills to the next level. Let's delve into the theory behind TypeScript's conditional types. At their core, conditional types allow developers to choose between two types based on a condition. The syntax looks like this: type sum type, T extends condition, true type, false type. This is similar to an if-else statement, but for types. This feature is particularly useful in dynamic scenarios like form handling, where different user roles may require different form fields. Consider it as a decision-making engine within your type system, offering you the flexibility to define more precise types. By leveraging conditional types, you can create forms that automatically adapt to the data model, ensuring that your application remains robust and error-free. This blend of type inference and flexibility makes conditional types a must-have tool in your TypeScript toolkit. Now, let's explore a practical code example that demonstrates the use of TypeScript conditional types for dynamic form handling. We'll focus on the user profile form component, which changes its fields based on the user's role. This component uses conditional types to determine whether to include the admin code field for admin users. Here's the code. Let's see our dynamic form handling in action. Imagine you're an admin logging into the application. As the page loads, you see the form fields for name, email, and an additional field for the admin code. You fill out each field, and the form seamlessly captures your inputs. Now, imagine a user logs in. The form changes, showing only the name and email fields, without the admin-specific field. This dynamic adjustment is made possible by the conditional types we've implemented, ensuring each user sees only the relevant fields. This adaptability enhances the user experience and maintains the integrity of the form data. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at mastering TypeScript's conditional types for dynamic form handling. By integrating these concepts, you can build applications that are not only robust, but also responsive to varying user needs. As you experiment with these ideas in your projects, you'll find that your forms become more intuitive and error-proof. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and real-world coding examples that will accelerate your learning journey. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.